Hi, Wendy here from wendybottrell.com, and we're continuing our conversation on life reset, and today we wanted to share some ideas on how to do a weekly life reset. So a weekly life reset is simply a good practice for you to do once a week that helps you get ready for the week to come. The best time is before your week starts, meaning it would be done the day before your work week begins. We believe that the weekly life reset is a valuable practice and habit to live a life free of stress, to be more organized, and to live more joyfully. So number one, catch up on tasks you feel you've fallen behind on. Before you do anything else, take a moment to finish anything you didn't get done that you're able to do right now. That way you aren't getting even more behind when the new week begins. If this is something that you find you're regularly experiencing, having to get caught up on some tasks, it might be a good time to reassess if they're important, rather than spending your time on things that aren't really vitally important, so that Sunday is freed up for the rest of your reset practice. In our mind, a life reset is really about making decisions on the things in our life that are most important, and letting the unimportant things go so we have more room in our life to live a joyful, productive life. Number two, get your home and workspace clean and organized. Benjamin Franklin had a quote, "A place for everything, everything in its place." The weekly reset is also a good time to do some cleaning and organizing, particularly with things that will help you when your work week starts. You know, waking up to a decluttered home, laundry not put away, a messy kitchen is going to take away from your productivity as your work week begins. Go through your house to tidy up, doing any cleaning and laundry that needs to be done, and take a little time getting areas organized that you feel that would increase your wellness. Get in the habit of doing a little bit every day is going to allow your weekly organization life reset to become less work over time. The habit of putting things back where you found them naturally makes you more organized. There's less stress knowing where your keys are, for example. This applies to all areas of your life, and over time, there's way less to organize in your home and workspace for your new week. Number three, meal prep and planning. Don't stress out about meals this week. Instead, plan ahead and get as many things prepped as you can. Plan your meals by figuring out what you want to cook and eat for each meal of the day throughout the week. It helps to start by looking at ingredients you already have and then going from there. This might mean, getting your groceries. It might mean rinsing and cutting fruits and vegetables, making hard-boiled eggs, marinating chicken or meat, or putting the rice in the rice cooker. Some foods can be made ahead of time, while others just need to have their ingredients prepped. Number three, laundry and preparing for the week. Sunday's also the perfect day to do laundry and other tasks that help you get prepared. Work on your laundry while you're getting your meals prepped and the house cleaned and organized. Just make sure you finish your laundry and put everything away. To save even more times in the morning, get your outfits ready to go and put toward the front of your closet, so you can just grab them quickly and easily. And finally, number four, working in your weekly calendar. Finally, take a look at your schedule. We suggest that you use an online calendar that will give you reminders for each task and appointment you've planned for the week. We use a color coding system in our calendar, and this helps us stay on track with our day-to-day tasks and any meetings we have for that week. So we set up each task that we're going to do day after day, week after week, with a different color. And we set a reminder for that task that pops up at least 30 minutes before, as this helps us stay on track. It helps us stay on track both when we're looking at the week, we see the different color codes so we have an idea, and the reminders help us when we're busy so we don't miss out on that particular task. Now, this is something that you'll want to experiment with to see what works best for you. Now, these are simple life reset ideas that have helped us greatly to eliminate a lot of stress, be more organized, and live more joyfully. Share any ideas that have helped you stay more organized in your week. Be sure to connect with us in the comments and subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks. This is Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Bye for now.